Hi, this is Felix, Electronic Service Technician at Ulabo US, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Eprog to control the temperature set point on the DD. Before we start, make sure you have the correct wiring for your Eprog connector. We are going to use wire number 6 for your ground and wire number 4 for the positive. Once you have all of the wiring, connect your Eprog in the back of the unit. Make sure that your unit is in the off mode. Once you have everything connected in the back of the unit, make sure you have an A on the screen. It means that your analog connector is properly inserted. Go to Menu. From here, go to Connect Unit. In this menu, we are going to go to External Set Point. And we are going to select Eprog. That means that your unit is going to receive signal from the Eprog to change the set point. Go back. Now we are going to configure the Eprog on the analog interface. Select Analog Module. And here we are going to go to Eprog. Under Eprog, there is a few values that we have to change. The first one is going to be the input value. The input value needs to be set point. That means that the signal that is going to receive the unit is going to change the set point. Here we have two different options for the signal. You can have a voltage signal or you can have a current signal. If you choose a voltage signal, it cannot be higher than 10 volts DC. If you choose a current signal, it cannot be higher than 20 milliamps at a maximum of 24 volts DC. I'm going to select voltage signal first. For my voltage source, I'm going to use the Fluke. This is going to be my source. In your case, you can use a different source. The first step is going to be your lower value after selecting your signal. Here, you're going to click on the input value. This is going to set the memory for your lower value. In my case, I'm going to send 0 volt and my set point is going to be 10 degrees. So I'm going to click on it, going to turn on my source, and I will send 0 volt. This is going to set the memory. When I send 0 volt, the unit is going to have a set point of 10 degrees. I need to change the input value to my set point. Now I have an input value of 10 degrees when I send 0 volt. Now that is recorded in the memory for the low value. For the upper value, you need to do the same. But here, I need to increase my voltage from the source. My source only goes to 10 volts, so that is going to be my upper value. My upper value, I want 100 degrees. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change it to 100 degrees. Now you can select and your upper value is saved. And right now I am sending 10 volts and my temperature set point is 100 degrees. You can confirm that by going into the home screen, and here is your temperature set point. If I lower the voltage, my temperature set point is going to change. It is a good practice to wait until your input value is stabilized prior to setting your measurement. If you choose to use current, you need to go back into the Connect menu, Analog Interface, Analog Module, Eprog, and change your signal type to current. You're going to choose current, and then you need to do the same steps as I did with the voltage. You're going to go into the low value and send a 0 milliamps current to set your lower temperature set point. I'm going to select 10 degrees. I am sending 0 milliamps for 10 degrees. Or you can choose to send 4 milliamps. I'm going to select 4 milliamps for 10 degrees. Here you can see it's reading 4 milliamps, and that's going to be my set point. Once you do that, then go ahead to the upper value. In the upper value, you have to select and increase your source to 100%. In my case, 20 milliamps, which is the maximum value allowed. Set your temperature set point. I chose 100 degrees. You see here that your set point changed. You can confirm that by going into the home screen and see your set point. If I lower that, my set point changes. And that's how you configure your DD to use the Eprog to control the temperature set point. Thanks for watching.